Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make curry with Dahi. First, gather your ingredients, focusing on fresh, plain Dahi. This creamy yogurt is the star, bringing a delightful tang and richness to your curry. Ensure your Dahi is at room temperature before mixing to help prevent it from splitting when added to heat. We'll cover the essential spices and techniques to create a perfectly balanced and flavorful dish that's both comforting and delicious. Now let's prepare the Dahi base, which is crucial for a smooth curry. In a bowl, combine 1 cup of plain Dahi with 2 tablespoons of graham flour. This flour helps stabilize the yogurt and prevents it from curdling. Stir in 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder for color and a gentle kick. Whisk everything together until the mixture is completely smooth, ensuring no lumps remain. This step sets the foundation for a rich, velvety curry. Next, we'll begin cooking our curry. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan over medium heat. Add chopped onions and sauté until they turn golden brown, then stir in ginger garlic paste until fragrant. Reduce the heat to low before slowly pouring in your prepared Dahi mixture, stirring continuously. This constant stirring is key to preventing the Dahi from curdling. Let it simmer gently for 15 to 20 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld and the curry to thicken beautifully. Finally, it's time to finish and serve your delicious Dahi curry. Garnish generously with fresh, chopped cilantro for a burst of freshness and a drizzle of ghee for added richness. This curry pairs wonderfully with fluffy steamed rice, warm naan bread, or even a simple roti. It's a comforting and flavorful meal perfect for any occasion. Remember to check the description below for a link to grab some little trees, black ice, and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.